Good morning, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here, OnlyWoodFloors. Last day over here in Laguna Beach. I almost hey, we should stretch it out. It's been the weekend here. Hey, let me turn this around. You guys ready? Remember that orange floor? Wasn't ugly, just I don't know, it kind of reminds me of like the 1990s when we were doing a lot of it. Because it's the naturals and the oil-based finish, would turn it, orangey. Yellow, but let's turn this around. There it is. Got your ocean view. Okay, you guys ready? Ready? Boom! Look at that. So when you open the door, everything is just bright, light. It almost looks like, because it's the white oak. So remember I told you those knot holes were going to pop? Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Because what it is you have this. So this is like the raw wood look, and it's beautiful white oak. But you can't just have raw wood because it would get dirty and just all of that stuff. You got to protect it. So you put the finish on it to protect it, and it's the finish that ends up turning it almost orangey. But I don't even know if the video shows this the way it should, but this kitchen is crazy beautiful. You know what I can do is, y'all stay with me. See the refrigerator? It's at sub-zero, so we don't pull them out, but we go so far underneath it. I can clean off the dirt and you'll see what it used to look like. Oh my, and you guys, look at that, from here over, look at that. This is just the first coat. We got 2 more coats that's going on this, so it'll get a little bit lighter. But let me get underneath here so you can see. I want you to remember. I'll put these videos together later on and you'll be able to see. But yeah, see, there it is. See that? See how yellow it used to be? Crazy. And again, it's no one's fault. It's and sometimes it's just personal preference. But let's go down the steps. I want you to see the steps. Because it says, look at that. That is crazy. Ah, man. But it's that invisible. So, it's the Loba Y2K invisible that gives it that raw wood look. These German guys have perfected it. Look at that. Wow. Just crazy. And then there's the new machine. If you guys watched that video on YouTube, we just opened that up. I thought we had left that the original, but we got behind it and sanded it. So ladies and gentlemen, I've got to turn on the equipment. We've got to get busy. Whatever you're doing today, hope you enjoy it. Again, if you have any questions, no matter where you're watching this, I wish you could see these steps, the way I see them. Reach out to us. We answer all questions. You want a copy of our book, 9 Secrets to Refinishing Wood Floors? I want you to see this view. Have a great day. I'm not sure, this may be the last video on this one because it's not going to get any better than this. It does a little bit because 2 more coats, but it won't show up on the camera. Enjoy, guys.